the country. It will also work together with the referral hospital in this place, but it will actually center on reproductive health of mothers and children, given that there are a lot of issues in society concerning mother and the child, also to reduce the number of deaths. But just to give us more information about this and an overview of this big day is the county governor, Professor Kivutha Kibwana. He's actually expecting the First Lady, who will be arriving here as one of the official guests. So let me just grab him quite fast to give us an expectation. So it's a very big day for your county. How did you come about with this program?
Yes, indeed, it's a very great day for Makueni County. We are expecting the First Lady Margaret Kenyatta, Her Excellency, anytime now to come and inaugurate our hospital. This is a mother and child hospital, so it's a very specialist hospital to take care of maternal and child health. It's a 120 bed hospital, and already we had a referral hospital, and so this is like a second hospital, so that we have two in one. And we have done it over about four years, and we think it will be a regional hospital, because even as matters stand, we have been receiving patients from our neighboring counties, but this one, because it's in the league of Pumwani, it's in the league of Nakuru hospitals, and so we really are very happy that in terms of helping the universal health coverage, this hospital will be very important. And already from last month it has been in operation already. We have had births there, cesarean births and so on. So it's really a very exciting moment for the people of Makueni.
So let's talk about the issue of funding. For the subsidized health program, yes. The county has been funding that. So I'm interested to know about this program. Was it also funded by external funders, or was it the county government that concentrated on coming up and fully funding the hospital?
Yes, this hospital is fully funded by the county government. We haven't received other funding from the national government or from a development partner, and it costs us about 160 million with everything, including equipment, and there is a very modern equipment within it, and so as a county we really focus on making sure that we use our money very prudently. So we are we are doing very well. Thank you.
So I think I will actually release you from there. The First Lady has just arrived, and so the county, the governor has to go and welcome her. She is the founder of the First Lady Marathon and also the Beyond Zero campaign, and that's why the county thought it's important for her to be here today. This big day for the county in itself. Looking at the hospital, which is just stands here in the background, the Makueni Mother and Child Hospital, it will deal with any issue of reproductive health for mother and child. So that means for any child who would like to be treated here, the age limit is 12 years. For those above 12 years, they have to be referred to the referral hospital, which just sits next to this place. But any issue concerning reproductive health for the women, could be issues to do with cancer of the reproductive system or any other issue, then they will all be treated here. It also has quite a big ward. The bed capacity will be 120 of that, but it could increase depending on the number of patients who turn up here. The county government also expects a very big number of tourism, of medical tourism coming in here, given that it's a first in its kind, still in the league, as we've heard from the governor, in the league of Pumwani Hospital, and another one in Nakuru. Then they expect a lot of patients to be arriving here. The First Lady is here. She has just arrived and will be commissioning this hospital officially. Well, we are going to get more shots of that, but this being a very big day for the county government. Remember that in 4 years ago, they also launched the subsidized program for patients, where every household will have to pay 500 shillings. But for the elderly above 65 years, then they do not pay anything. The county government chips in for that. That is a First Lady just arriving, the convoy of vehicles which has set in here the county government says that it's a very big day for them. Well, that you can see is the convoy of the First Lady, Margaret Kenyatta, which has just come in here. She will be officially opening this hospital, the Makueni Mother and Child Hospital. It has a capacity of 120 beds and will be providing an array of services for this county. And some of the services which will be offered that is the First Lady. That is the First Lady greeting the governor and the First Lady of this county. She's officially also saying hi to other officials, especially in the health department, and important figures in the governance of this county. From here, she will proceed to officially unveil or commission the hospital. It has been operational for 1 month now, but once this is done, she is now proceeding to one of the tents where she is going to be briefed and given more information about this. So the Makueni Mother and Child Hospital has a bed capacity of 120. And every other child above 12 years will be treated here at this referral hospital. It will also offer consultation services, gynecological and neonatal consultation, antenatal wards as well for mothers who are not in active labor. It also has an ultramodern newborn unit. Well, right now she has just got into the tent, but maybe we will get back once she is out of here. She is getting a brief of the hospital where she will officially commission it in a few minutes. Brenda?
All right, Caroline B., I don't know if you can hear me because of the noise at the background, but if you can, talk to us about the health workers there. Of course, I understand we shall be talking to Caroline B. later on as she continues to try and, of course, get for us more details about that health facility that's being launched at the Makueni County, specifically Wote. Of course, it's good news for mothers who will be, receiving the services from that hospital. But now let's take you to the Milimani Law Courts, Corridors of Justice, where a five-judge bench of the High Court is today set to start the hearing the case filed by embattled Deputy Chief Justice, that is Philomena MWILU, challenging her prosecution over allegations of abuse of office. Now, London's based Queen's Counsel, that is Kawar Qureshi, is expected to take over the prosecution of MWILU following his gazettement by Director of Public Prosecution Nordin Haji. And of course, our reporter Francis Ontomo is at the Milimani Law Courts to bring us up to date with what we expect to happen. And Ontomo, you at the Milimani Law Courts, what do we expect to happen today? And owing to the fact that we have a new counsel, Kawar Qureshi, who's expected to take over the prosecution of Deputy Chief Justice Philomena MWILU.
Well, the kind of judicial process that we expect today here at the High Court is high profile because of the case that is before court. This is the case that involves the second most powerful judicial officer, that is Philomena MWILU, who is accused here of several charges ranging from the question of bribery to many others, such as the abuse of office. And yes, we have a new prosecutor that has been brought by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, Kawar Qureshi, a professor who works in the UK, a man who has handled a wide range of cases, not just in the UK, but in many Commonwealth countries. Is the man the DPP are pinning their hopes to take on a huge battery of lawyers that will be representing Philomena MWILU, beginning with Senator Orengo and the veteran lawyer Aminwa, and many others, and Nelson Harvey and a host of many others. And the court is just getting here. We are seeing lawyers moving into the courtroom just to show, or rather to indicate that the process should be beginning any moment from now. And a powerful five-judge bench will be spearheading the entire process. And the judges who have already been fighting on this bench include Mumbi Ngogi, Helen Omondi, Francis Tuyot, William Musyoka, and Chacha Mwita. Those will be the men and women who will be leading this particular process. Looking at the main focus of the day will be on how the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution will be pushing this ahead, given that they have Kawar Qureshi, a professor of law, who will be the main man leading the process. You know that he has another backup of lawyers. There are lawyers that have been hired by the Office of the DPP, and we have I've already seen former DPP Philip Mulgore in the courtroom. These are part of the lawyers who will be trying to give impetus to Kawar Qureshi to try and ensure that the prosecution of the case starting on MWILU is actually succeed.
All right, Ontomwa, and you've mentioned Philip Mulgore, and this are just he's among the people that the ODPP appointed to join the DPP rather, Nordin Haji appointed to join the ODPP team of lawyers, and we're also talking about a new prosecution lead prosecutor that is the London-based lawyer. I don't know whether you've talked to Justices MWILU's legal team led by lead counsel, that is James Orengo, Senator James Orengo. Are they opposed to these new people who are being introduced to the case facing the deputy CJ?
Well, at this point, they have no choice. They cannot really choose the people they will be facing in court, and therefore they will have no choice but face Kawar Qureshi, a man that the DPP says has a vast experience and one that will ensure that this case succeeds against the DCJ. And yes, you have Philip Mulgore, a former DPP, who is part of the team, and these are just part of the people that the DPP brought into office to try and ensure that they augment their case and ensure that they are able to defeat the defense. We remember that when the DPP was saying, or rather was defending the position of the government of hiring this man from the UK, they say that they wanted a man with an independent mind, who will not...
Allow me... Ontomwa, just allow me to cut you short. We shall be getting back to you. We want to go to Makueni County, Wote specifically, where First Lady Margaret Kenyatta is there to open the maternity hospital.
Be what? Go ahead, what? So that is the First Lady. She is just from planting a tree to commemorate this important day for the county, where they are launching the Mother and Child Hospital. It will be part of the referral hospital in this county. She's right now signing the visitor's book. You will get to see what message she's giving to this county government, given that she's in the forefront of reducing mortality rate, maternal mortality rate, likewise to child mortality rate. She just recently relaunched the Beyond Zero Marathon to include issues around reproductive health, and this hospital will still center on issues around reproductive health for all mothers and children. Remember that children above 12 years will be treated at the county referral hospital. There's also, looking at the hospital facilities that they have, the county government says that they have ultramodern resources in this hospital that will enable the treating of a wide range of reproductive health illnesses Well, right now she will proceed to official opening of this hospital, which started operating 1 month ago, but today will be unofficial opening of this. She is accompanied by the county governor, Professor Kivutha Kibwana. There she is, opening it officially, and it has been operational. Yesterday I had a chance to go around the hospital and see how it is. There was quite a number of pregnant women who are receiving their treatment in this hospital. And this hospital will offer services around kangaroo mother care. It has been a project that has been executed for the last 4 financial years, fully funded by the county government. It did not have any external funders, and it is a big win for this county government, which has been considered ahead in terms of universal healthcare coverage. And in April, they had a conference that facilitated the same. It is being spearheaded by the health department in this county. There she is proceeding to the hospital reception. Hopefully we will get to see the facilities that are given in this hospital.
All right, that is First Lady Margaret Kenyatta right there in Makueni County to open the mother-child hospital where expectant mothers are expected to actually receive treatment. Of course, it comes at a time when the government has been talking about setting up health facilities in different parts of the country, just to ensure that the mother-to-child treatment becomes efficient. And of course, all is set for that commissioning. As you've seen on your screen, it is First Lady Margaret Kenyatta who's actually opening that hospital. And of course, it is a 120-bed capacity hospital that's being launched today and will provide several amenities, including the consultation services like the gynecological obstetric treatment. And let's go back to Makueni County and just see what is happening. Of course, on your screen is First Lady Margaret Kenyatta just being taken through the several wards that are there. Remember, it is a 120-bed capacity facility that will provide several amenities, including what I mentioned earlier, services like gynecological, obstetric. There's also neonatal consultation services, antenatal wards for mothers who are not in active labor. And we also have the services of the ultramodern newborn unit with neonatal intensive care unit, incubators and phototherapy unit. Let's just listen in.
We are heading. Sawa, got it.